Slow down, slow her down. We just got hit and about drug the pole in the water. As you can see, he's in the mud. You can come to your right. Come to your right. Pull it right. Pull it right. Stay out of that line. Pull it right. Pull it right. All right, go. You're in the line. Go over this. Go over this. There you go. Go to the line. There you go.
God, oh.
Keep it tight. There we go. Keep it tight.
No,
Really?
whatever it is fighting.
You need more? You need more?
Yeah.
All right.
There we go. There we go.
That one, I think that was bigger than mine.
Oh.
It better not be 70. I'm gonna say I caught it. Let her swim out. All right, reel. That's on the mackerel.
Oh.
All right, whoa. Right here. I think that was bigger than mine. Oh yeah, that. Oh, he's big. I got him. Oh yeah, he's big. Oh, we are killing these. We are killing these fish out here today.
No, stop.
Holy crap, 40 pounds, bro.
Got me sliding. Got me falling.
Y'all ain't never fished on the Mississippi River.
There's some on.
We done caught a 28 pounder and a 40 pounder. That was a Hellcat Revenge rod. That was 80 pound braid. Yeah, we got a lot of mud in here.
I'm sorry.
It's all good. I'd rather have mud in the reel than, I mean, it almost went in the water.
Dude, I'm